Today we will be doing a scan to print demonstration using the body of Mr. Potato Head. The objective of this demo will be to create a replica of Mr. Potato Head in another color. We will be using all of the items included in the scan to print for $99.90 bundle that we are currently running. And let's go ahead and let's get started.
Hi, my name is Avery with Indicate Technologies. I'm going to be scanning Mr. Potato Head's body here with the Scantech iReel 2E. We will be using a tripod and turntable as a platform for our scan, so let's get started. Now we're not trying to capture the platform or the cap that we're using to hold Mr. Potato Head, so I'm going to hop on the software and delete what we don't need before we continue to scan. Next, we're going to flip over Mr. Potato Head so we can get the top of his head and any other parts we may have missed. Again, we're going to delete the parts we don't need before we make the full mesh.
Now that we've used the Scantech iReel and the Scan Viewer software to create the mesh model, we can now import the STL file into Ultimaker Cura slicing software. So let's go to File, Open Files, and let's select the STL file that we have just created. Okay. Now that the model is in here and it's been automatically placed on the build plate, we are pretty much good to go. Let's just confirm that we have our Ultimaker S3 selected and that we have the materials that we want to use selected. So in Extruder 1, we want to use the silver metallic PLA. Again, Ultimaker PLA, silver metallic. We're going to use a 0.4 nozzle, and then we're going to head over to our Extruder 2. We're going to want to use the Ultimaker PVA Natural. This is a water-soluble support, and we want the 0.4 nozzle for that as well. Let's head over to our settings. We will use just default 0.15 layer height, as well as the standard 20% infill. And we want to make sure that we have support enabled and that the support is enabled for the correct extruder, which is extruder 2. And if you want to customize any further settings, you can click custom here and you can customize any of these settings inside. But for the purpose of this video, there's no need to do that. So let's go ahead and slice this file, and then we are ready to save it to a USB drive and head over to the printer. Once you've saved your G-code to a USB drive, all you have to do is plug it in to the Ultimaker S3, and you can now select your file. Once you've done that, you can start the print, and once the print is completed, you can come back to your printer and remove the glass build plate. Once you've removed the glass build plate, all you need to do is remove your part from there, and you can stick the part into a bucket of warm water. This will dissolve away the PVA support material. And after doing that for a few hours, your part will be complete. And as you guys can see here, we have now recreated Mr. Potato Head using a silver body. One last thing before I let you guys go, if you're looking for more information about either scanning to printing or the promo bundle that we are offering, you can find more information by reaching out to us on our website. If you're watching this on YouTube, click the link in the description. If you're watching this on our website, you're on the correct page. So you can just go ahead and scroll down and you can request to talk to an expert, you can request a private demonstration, or you can request a quote. Anyways, thanks for watching this virtual demonstration. I hope you found it insightful, and we look forward to hearing from you guys.